Hello, trading is closed on February 19th, 2019. My last call said absent a gap over these highs, lower prices should print. Target was 2766.53. Futures traded down to 2766. That's pretty much right on the nose, but trading in futures doesn't count to satisfy the target. The day's low was 2767.29, fraction of a point from the target. But for most systems, that would be close enough. For MEJT, it's not. It's not within the tolerance, so we have to call this a failed target. Well over 99% chance it'll print at some time. There's no requirement that be anytime soon. This target for tomorrow, 2776.01. Unless we gap up, take out this high early. That's my call. Doesn't mean we have to close lower, and in fact, that's only about 3 and a fraction points under today's close. Here were the signals. MEJT said this rally wouldn't stick, said this drop wouldn't stick, said this rally wouldn't stick. We got the replacement. Also says this rally won't stick, and here's your target. Now tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low and the late high. Absent a big drop early, it tends to be an all-day rally, close near the high and be a positive day. So if we get the standard picture, one plausible scenario for tomorrow is that we drop early, but not by a lot, hit this target, and then rally, and the rally continues to higher highs. That's one scenario. But the whole picture changes if we have a big drop in the first 1 to 2 hours, because anything other than that leads to higher prices, but a big drop in the first 1 to 2 hours usually leads to further declines. So how good is the case for a big drop? We've been going up every day, blasting through all kinds of resistance levels. Our original target was in the low 2800s, which we said back when the market was hitting the Christmas low. I thought it was impossible, just out of reach. We've actually come close enough. Coming within a 0.5% doesn't quite meet the target, but when it's that close, you don't really have to go any higher. Doesn't mean we're not going to hit it. So what's the case for a big drop? It isn't a guarantee, but it's a case. Well, you start out low, rally all day, and you can't close over the middle of the day high. That's not good. Leads to lower prices. Let's you take this high out early. I don't have much faith in DeMarc's stuff anymore. It just failed too many times, but I'm aware of what it says. We're still within this. We are still within a sequential sell, and we are a whole bar over the TDST line, so it says resistance level. Now, we're now 55 days from the low, 55 weeks from the high. Those are numbers important to some people. And for those who like Gann fan lines, here's a 1 by 1, pretty much a 1 by 1 and a 1 by 1. Actually, that's not a 1 by 1. I shouldn't have included that one. We'll get rid of it. So we have a bunch of stuff which says this is a potential high. Whether or not it'll actually work, I don't really know. So we have a lower target for tomorrow. If we gap up smartly, it's off the table. Doesn't mean it won't print, just means I won't predict it. If we drop a little bit, I expect an all-day rally with higher highs. But if we gap down smartly, if we're down sharply in the first 1 to 2 hours, if that happens, there's a very good chance this leg's over. And all it would take to convince me would be follow through. This is a chart we showed yesterday, and if we move down sharply and get follow through this line, you don't have to be a master technician to know that the potential for a drop is pretty big. Doesn't mean it'll happen. It hasn't happened yet. It just means if there is a big drop, be aware it could be bigger than seems possible after a month and a half rally. And that's today's call.